Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesloft for scalable outbound sequences, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Salesloft for scalable outbound sequences, begin by logging into your Salesloft account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sequences tab located on the left-hand menu. Click on the Create New Sequence button to start crafting your outbound campaign. Choose a name for your sequence that clearly describes its purpose. Next, define your sequence steps by clicking on the Add Step option. Select the type of step you want to include, such as email, call, or task. Craft your email message or call script, ensuring it aligns with your overall outreach strategy. Set the timing for each step, deciding how long after the previous step it should occur. Consider adding a delay feature to space out your outreach efforts appropriately. After adding all the necessary steps, review your sequence for overall flow and coherence. If you want to personalize your outreach, utilize dynamic fields to insert recipient-specific information. Once you are satisfied with your sequence, click Save to store your work. To make your sequence active, toggle the activation switch to On. Now, it's time to add the contacts you want to target. Go to your Contacts or Leads section and select the individuals for your sequence. Click on the Add to Sequence option and choose the sequence you just created. Confirm your selection to officially add the contacts to your outbound sequence. Monitor the performance of your sequence through the Analytics dashboard. Analyze key metrics such as open rates and response rates to optimize future sequences. Continue refining and adjusting your outbound sequences based on these insights. By following these steps, you can effectively activate Salesloft for scalable outbound sequences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.